Hi, this is Lawrence Bureau, Director NCPIR NGI. Nehru Corporate Placement and Industry Relations, an exclusive wing catering to the training and placement of NGI students. We work under the motto of CQ, that is create, construct and compensate. We start the training for them right from the first year onwards and ensure that each student is equipped in various skill methods, right from soft skills, aptitude, technical trainings and industry relevant interview methods like mock interviews and group discussions. We also provide them guest lectures and industry collaborations like internships, which gives them an ample opportunity to equip themselves for industry requirements. We compensate by providing opportunity for the students in the companies which are relevant to their core area of study and thus helping them to achieve a dream career start from Nehru Group of Institutions.
Nehru Group of Institution is a place where you can find the amalgamation of culture, arts and other extracurricular activities.
It has been a great learning experience at Nehru Group of Institutions for the past 4 years.
And they provide a great exposure to the students by organizing different activities to make them better and to achieve their future.
RIDDHI 2019, a dream year for NGI students. We continue to benchmark our performance this year by getting more than 2,000 plus offers from 150 plus companies visiting the campus. This year, we got a highest CTC of 10 lakhs per annum from Byju's for 3 of our engineering students. This year, our students are placed in software development in both product-based and service-based companies. Companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Hexaware, Add2Pro, Vinayak Infovisions, Amphisoft, Vernalis are few to name. Our students are also placed in companies like Jaro Educations, Byju's, IDBI Federal, ICICI Bank, Carvey Securities and Relega. We have more than 15 core engineering companies that visit our campus regularly, and the most important part is aeronautical industry has started to open up, where this year we got more than 7 companies visiting our campus for recruitment. Our students are placed in companies like Genser Aerospace, GMR Aerospace, Air India SATS, Quest Global, Bliss Aerospace are the few to name in aeronautical industries.
At Nehru Group of Institution, we have to explore yourself in all the ways you want to be.
I believe the greatest thing for every engineering student is to get an opportunity to start their career in a reputed organization with some good package.
At Nehru Group of Institution, we had a lot of exposure and knowledge about the industry, which helped me in getting placed in a good company.
It is going to be an interesting day for every one of us. As NGI family, we are very happy and proud to have this day because the children are going to get their offers in front of their parents, which is the most important thing in their life. I'm sure this day is going to be a red letter day for all the students because they are going to step into their corporate life with the blessings from their parents, from their teachers and from the NGI family. I'm sure they're going to have a very good and a wonderful career, and I wish them all a great success in all the future endeavors. Thank you.